Hello everyone, welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, October the 5th, 2020. New Sudokus, but only one regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. But first, I will solve this one, and this one will be number 1687. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I have already counted the printed digits, the numbers. There are 27 in this medium Sudoku. 27 printed digits. You can check if I'm correct. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I use. How about the 4 in this row, the 4 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then. In the second row, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have the 1 and the 2 in this big square. So no 1 and the 2 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 1 and the 2. That means the other 2 numbers in this second row are the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 8 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. That means in the first row, we have 2 missing numbers now. Those numbers are the 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. These 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Let me mark them for you. 8 and 5. It's a pair. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about the 2 in this column, the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then. How about the number? Yeah. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in this box. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row below. Only 2 places left for the 4. Should be here or there. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 3, 2, 4. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. 6 and 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this third column for the numbers 3 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. It's a pair. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3. And this should be a 9. 1 box left in the second column for the number 6 is missing. Yes, 6 is missing. Alright. How about the number Five in this column, 5 in the middle columns on the column next. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And then we have here a 1 in this column, a 1 in that column. So middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 7 and the 6. 7 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. Now we have a 7 there, so no 7 in this box. The 7 goes in this box. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes and there. And then Then we need to find the 4. Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be the 5. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. Can I fill this? Let me see. Yes. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 9 in this row. 2 and the 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 1. 1 number left in this last column for the number 7. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.